we have an official statement. The President spent the night under medical observation as a precautionary measure after experiencing discomfort. His doctors advise rest and monitoring, and his condition remains stable. The President continued to carry out his responsibilities while under medical observation and has returned to Malacanang.
May we know what particular discomfort did the President experience last night?
Hindi po sa atin na nabanggit kung ano ang particular na discomfort na kanyang naranasan. But ang maimportante po rito at dapat natin maipaalam sa ating mga kababayan na siya po ngayon ay muling nagtatrabaho at nasa Malacanang. Siya po ay nasa maayos na kalagayan at mamayang hapon po ay magkakaroon pa po siya ng 2 pribadong meeting.
Okay. So does it mean that makikita rin siya ng public in the next few days, or should we expect the President to take it easy and stay in Malacanang for a while?
Sa ngayon po ay may pribado mga meetings po, so makikipag-ugnayan na po siya sa ibang mga opisyal. At tingnan po natin kung bukas po, dahil meron po siyang event, kung maa-advise siya ng doktor na okay naman po siya, malamang po ay makikita rin agad natin ang Pangulo.